Next, second one, guys, assignment operator. We discuss about assignment operator. What are the assignment operator, guys? See this assignment operator means equals to. Equals to is used to, it is used to change the value of the variable. Okay, it is used to change the value of the variable, guys. Syntax is what is the syntax? We can write syntax equals to L value equals to R value, L value equals to R value, left side value equals to right side value. L value means, where L value means full form is left side value, guys. L value is variable. R value means, what is R value, guys? See this, R value is right side value, R value is value, left side is variable is required, right side is value is required. Clear? For example, see this syntax we follow. Int a, is it valid or not? A is a error, right? It is error, sorry, garbage value. A is a value is what? Garbage value. A value is how much? Garbage. Okay, it is used to change the value of the variable. It is used to change the value of the variable. A is what? Garbage value. How to change this value? A is 10. Valid? Yes, it is valid. Now A value will be modified. Okay, forget about the declaration, guys. Forget about the declaration. B equals to A. Is it valid now? Yes, this is also valid, guys. Why? B is what? B is the left side variable is there, right side value is there. This is also valid. Now, can I write 10 equals to 20? Is it valid, guys? 10 equals to 20. Error it is. Can you write 10? What is the meaning of 10 equals to 20? You are trying to change A equals 10 means A value change it to 10. Previously garbage value. B equals to A means B value change it to A. Now 10 equals 20 means what? 10 value change it to 20. 10 value, can you change 10 value is to 20? Is it possible? My childhood onwards 10 is 10 only. 10 value not modified. Okay, 10 value is not modified. 10 is same 10 only. 20 is same 20 only. You cannot change the value. That is 10 equals to 20. Can I write 10 equals to 20? See, guys, if I try to change the 10 equals to 20. See, 10 value going to change to 20. Is it valid? Error. L value required. See this. Left side variable is required. Right side value is required. You understood? Left side variable, right side value is required, guys. Okay. Now, can I write like this? A plus B equals to 20. Is it valid, guys? A plus B equals to 20. Is it valid? What is the A equals to 10 is valid, B equals to 20 is valid. A plus B equals to 20. Result equals to result. A plus B is a result, guys. A is a variable, B is a variable. A plus B is not a variable, guys. A plus B is a result. Okay. Now A plus B is a result, then this is also error. We should not write A plus B equals to 20. Okay, A is 10 is valid, B equals to A is valid, 10 is 20 is invalid. Now can I write like this, guys? A equals to B equals to 10. Is it valid, guys? Now tell me, is it valid? A equals to B equals to 10. Valid? Yes, guys, this is valid. Then how it assigns, guys? B equals to 10 first. First 10 value assigned to B. Right to left it executes. 10 value to B, B value right like this. 10 value assigned to B, guys. Next B value assigned to A. Okay, 10 value to B, B value to A. First 10 equals to B equals to 10. Next A equals to B. This is valid, guys. Okay, can I write like this? A equals to B plus C equals to, guys, B plus C equals to D plus 5 something. Can you write like this? This is again error because B plus C equals to D plus 5. That is error. Okay, now we cannot write like this. A equals to B plus C equals to D plus 5. That is error. Okay, shortcut operators. What are the shortcuts are there? We check it with the shortcuts. What are the shortcuts, guys? See the shortcuts. A equals to A plus 1. A equals to A plus 1. We can write shortcuts are A plus equals to 1. That is shortcut. Or we can write A plus plus or plus plus I. This is also shortcut. Same like A plus plus also A equals to A plus 1 on. Now A equals to A plus B. We can write A equals to A plus B. How to write shortcut? A plus equals to B. This is A equals to A plus B. You can write. Now can I write like this, guys? A equals to a minus b, we write that. Now my question, you understood, right? A equals to a minus b. How to write a equals to a minus b? A minus equals to b. This is also valid. Now can I write like this? A equals to a and b. A logical and b. Can I write like this? A equals to a and b. Can I write a and equals to b? Is it valid, guys? No error. It is only for in arithmetic, guys. Error. What is error? Only for shortcuts. Only for arithmetic. Shortcuts only for arithmetic, not for other data types, guys. Completed. Next one, guys. Third one, relational operator. Third one is relational operators. What are the relational operators? Greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. These four are having equal precedence. Next, double equals to, not equals to. These two are having equal precedence. Okay. Relational operators. What about the relational operator? About relational operators, right? Relational operators returns either 0 or 1. Relational operators returns either 0 or 1. 0 or 1 means true or false. For example, x, some value I will take. X equals to how much? 2 less than 3. What is 2 less than 3? Answer is 1. Okay. X equals to 2 greater than 3. What is answer? This 2 greater than 3 is the answer is error, right? This is a false. Now then it is 0. Are you following, guys? What is x value? If I try to write x, for example, 2 greater than 3 less than 1. If I write 2 greater than 3, what is 2 greater than 3? False, huh? 2 greater than 3 false. 0. 0 less than 1. Yes, it is true. 1 it is answer. Okay, we can write like this, guys. Which one? 2 less than 3 is what is answer? 2 greater than 3 is what is answer? 2 greater than 3 less than 1. It's the answer is right. Yeah, that is 0.00 or 1.00 Omkar Nath. If I declare x as float, that value 0.00 or 1.00 it returns. That's all. Okay. For example, x value, this is example, guys. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Then what is the answer, guys? What is x value? Now example 2. This is second example. What is the example 2? Tell me what is x value in this case. Yeah, if you want to tell the answer, then operator precedence you should know. First 2 plus 3 or this one. What is the answer? You should know this, guys. Addition or comparison. You should know. Without knowing that, it is not possible, guys. Okay, see this. We have addition is there, right? These are the operator precedence table. Yeah, where is addition? Addition is fourth one, right? Addition is fourth one, guys. Yeah, what is the equals to double equals to seventh one? You can check it. Seventh one is right. This is a fourth one. This is seventh one, right? This is which one is addition is first. Now what is the 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 equals to 5 next. Then answer is what? It's a 1, guys. Okay. This is about relational operators. First of all, which one is having higher precedence? We should know. Okay. Before going to discuss about increment and decrement, completed this. Now we write operator precedence table, guys. We write operator precedence, and we should know some. Okay, we should discuss about that operator precedence. Which one is having a higher precedence? Okay, you should by heart some, right? Which operator has a higher precedence? Why? Because calculation we do like that only. Completed, relational operators. Now we give a operator precedence, guys. Operator precedence.